Hello animal lovers, welcome back to the Quiz Prapancha. Are you ready for animal quiz challenge? In this video you will answer exciting questions about animals from around the world. Each question has only a few seconds. Think fast, watch till the end and check how smart you really are. Comment your score below and challenge your friends. Let's begin. The amphibians have the ability to live in. Your options are only land, in space, in water, both water and land. Right answer is both water and land. What fish uses to breathe? Your options are wings, lungs, tentacles, and gills. Gills is the right answer. Which one of the following mammal lays eggs? Your options are octopus, platypus, dog, zebra. Platypus is the right answer. The following animals are cold-blooded except these are your options: turtle, crocodile, dog, spider. Right answer is dog. The vertebrate's backbone is made up of. Your options are tendons, muscles, vertebrae, and nerves. Right answer is vertebrae. Which of the following animal have trunk? These are your options: platypus, elephant, giraffe, rhinoceros. Yes, elephant is the right answer. Which one of the following animal is oviparous? Your options are cat, chicken, sheep, donkey. Yes, chicken is the right answer. Which of the following category the bat belongs to? These are your options: omnivore, herbivore, carnivore, frugivore. Yes, it's omnivore. Under which of the group the starfish belongs to? These are your options: Annelida, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Mollusca. Yes, it belongs to Echinodermata. Which one of the following animal has scales on its body? Our options are snake, lizard, frog, and earthworm. Yes, snake is the right answer. Which one of the following is a largest reptile? These are your options: frog, cobra, crocodile, blue whale. Crocodile is the right answer. Which one of the following animal is a viviparous? These are your options: snake, lizard, cow, turtle. Yes, Cow is the right answer. Usually, who is the leader of an elephant herd? These are your options: male elephant, old female elephant, young elephant, old male elephant. Yes, old female elephant is the right answer. Group of elephants are called as. These are your options: army, herds, rangale, ambush. Yes, herds is a right answer. An Asian elephant prefer which type of habitat? These are your options: hill station, village, grassland, desert. Right answer is grassland. Elephants can hear a sound also through. These are your options: their feet, their trunk, their ears only, their tail. Their feet is the right answer. Which animal is considered as a king of the jungle? Your options are leopard, lion, wolf, jackal. Yes, lion is a king. Which animal has a long neck to eat leaves from tall trees? Your options are zebra, rhinoceros, elephant, and giraffe. Right answer is giraffe. Which animal can regenerate their lost body parts? These are your options: turtle, octopus, whale, and starfish. Starfish is the right answer. The following animal can lie both in land and water, except. These are your options: crocodile, frogs, penguins, and elephant. Yes, elephant is the right answer. Which animal is famous for building a dam in the river? Your options are alligator, beaver, chimpanzee, and dolphin. Beaver is the right answer. And approximately how long can an elephant's trunk grows? Options are 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, and 4 meter. Yes, right answer is up to 3 meter. Which is the national bird of Sri Lanka? Your options are hornbill, jungle fowl, peacock, and eagle. Jungle fowl is the right answer. Which of the following animal has a sticky tongue to catch insects? These are your options: tiger, monkey, chameleon, and dog. Chameleon is the right answer. Which of the following animal is considered as a warm-blooded? Your options are frog, crab, crocodile, and eagle. Yes, eagle is the right answer. Which animal is called as the ship of the desert? These are your options: alpaca, bear, camel, and donkey. Right answer is camel. Which of the following animal able to lay eggs? Options are camel, kangaroo, rabbit, and frog. Yes, the frog is the right answer. Which of the following animal is predator? These are your options: lion, rabbit, bison, and donkey. Yes, of course, the lion is the right answer. Which animal can take a sleep while standing up position? These are your options: dog, horse, cow, and an elephant. Horse is the right answer. Which animal is famous for changing its color for masking by itself? These are your options: crocodile, camel, chameleon, and cat. Chameleon is the right answer. Which of the following animal is a mammal? Options are dog, crocodile, lizard, and frog. Yes, the dog is the right answer. Which of the following is the largest land animal in the world? Your options are hippopotamus, shark, ostrich, and elephant. Right answer is elephant. Under which of the animal is a reptile? These are your options: snake, rabbit, ant, and an elephant. Snake is the right answer. Under which of the animal is an amphibians? Your options are horse, rat, frog, and fish. Yes, frog is an amphibian. Under which of the animal is a fish? Your options are kangaroo, shark, frog, and crocodile. Yes, shark is the right answer. Which of the following is the mammal? Your options are platypus, snake, frog, and fish. Good, platypus is the right answer. Next, which animal gives birth to underdeveloped young? These are your options: cow, tiger, kangaroo, and an elephant. Yes, kangaroo is the right answer. Which animal is able to fly? These are your options: eagle, ostrich, bat, and cat. S. Bat is the right answer. Which of the following elephant species is the largest? Your options are Asian elephant, African bush elephant, African forest elephant, and American elephant. As African bush elephant is the right answer. Which one of the following is an invertebrate? Your options are dog, lion, spider, and gorilla. Yes, spider is the right answer. Which one of the following animal is a carnivore? These are your options: tiger, sheep, rabbit, and cow. Right answer is tiger. Which one of the following animal is herbivore? These are your options: lion, wolf, rabbit, and tiger. Yes, rabbit is the right answer. Next, which is considered as the fastest land animal? Options are tiger, deer, cheetah, and wolf. Yes, cheetah is the right answer. Which animal can survive without water for a long time? Your options are cat, camel, bat, and monkey. Yes, camel is the right answer. Which elephant species has a smaller, rounded ears? These are your options: Asian elephant, African elephant, American elephant, and Australian elephant. As Asian elephant is the right answer. Which of the following animal has scales on their skin? Options are lion, snake, elephant, zebra. Yes, snake is the right answer. Next, which animal is considered as a sheep of the desert? Your options are cow, camel, horse, and elephant. As camel is the right answer. The elephant's trunk is used for the following except for drinking, breathing, hearing, picking up objects. S for hearing also. Which of the following is the largest mammal in the world? Your options are elephant, blue whale, giraffe, and crocodile. Blue whale is the right answer. Which of the following animal has a pouch for its young? Your options are rabbit, lion, kangaroo, and gorilla. As kangaroo is the right answer. Which of the following is a domestic animal? Options are cow, wolf, jackal, and monkey. Yes, right answer is a cow. Which of the following is a wild animal? Your options are lion, cow, cat, and dog. Yes, lion is the right answer. Which of the following is considered as a cold-blooded animal? Your options are tiger, crocodile, rabbit, and monkey. Yes, crocodile is the right answer. Penguins are mainly found in Arctic, Antarctica, South Africa, and Himalaya. Yes, Antarctica is the right answer. How many toes an elephant have on each front foot? Your options are 3, 4, 5, and 6. Of course, 5. Penguins are adapted for. Your options are swimming, running fast, flying, and hunting. S for swimming. Which animal hibernate or state of sleep and inactive in winter? Your options are ape, bear, camel, and deer. Yes, bear is inactive in winter. Next, which of the following animal has a shell on it? Your options are buffalo, mice, tortoise, and lion. Of course, tortoise. Which animal is known for storing food in chicks' pouches? Your options are cat, dolphin, hamster, and dog. Of course, hamster is the right answer. Which animal is called the king of fish? Your options are shark, bangda, whale, and tuna. Of course, shark is the right answer. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel.